is blood group barrier really a barrier to kidney transplant? Well, I'm Dr. Vishal Saxena, Principal Director and Head of the Department, Max Gurgaon, and I'm going to tell you that blood group for a donor to recipient does not matter, because now we are in an advanced technology where ABO incompatible transplants are taking place. What you do is, suppose there is somebody who's got an O recipient and a B donor. So what we do is we do the anti-B antibody titer, and depending on the multiples of 2, we calculate the titers. According to the titers, we go for a desensitization protocol where you use injection and 2 weeks of oral immunosuppressive therapy, following which, depending on the titers, we may use a plasma exchange, we may use a column, immunoabsorption column, and decrease the titers to less than 8. Once 3 weeks have passed after transplant, that is the time when the accommodation starts taking place, and this transplant then normally starts behaving like a ABO compatible transplant. So don't get bothered if you don't have the same blood group in your family. Rather, look for somebody who's willing, fit, related, healthy kidney donor in your family, and let us remove from our minds that blood group is the barrier to a successful kidney transplant. If the success rate of ABO compatible transplant is 97%, ABO incompatible is 95% to start with. Thank you very much.